Coach Bodu umu Asante Kotoko. Dini kwanse mpanimfo kwa eyo omadwen se omakofa Coach Bodu se omna be coach Asante Kotoko. Ni kwanse kwanse boom trimu. Coach ya osoro kan ensem biare kira Asante Kotoko de. How? Kotoko ne Kotoko se Kotoko ne ni sha match ne se Kotoko shena. Ensem o kafa Asante Kotoko na nya papa. Na se ibi wo mo pa je se referees ne FIFA Kotoko, me Kotoko timi no. Ibi wo so me ka se Saturday no has no Kotoko ne has ekoball match. Awa Accra. Kotoko no mu ato awa Accra na wo draw. Asema kan se okofa e yikwa de bayompa, Aurora squad de bayompa, nya de se Kotoko bit mashe Aurora. Na se how do you respect Asante Kotoko? Who Kotoko saying? A whole team like Asante Kotoko, a whole coach like you. I'm a saying coach Ogun Krakate ka say coach na kan one kan yi. Number in first I'm for such coach in Asante Kotoko. No way. No way. And I know say your name the kum Chelsea book Masi. Was it and Zimbo can I hear what? Such coach number in for son say be son say yanko farm Asante Kotoko. Ubi umu Kotoko. I'm for Kotoko nya we you Kumasi boy, but umu Kotoko. Umu Kotoko nya we. For Kotoko, Asante Kotoko, for nya. No, you shouldn't entertain such coach. I was Asante Kotoko. You can say a bay trim, but if you was a moko fan, say Omrame coach Asante Kotoko. It's not wash. Are they one of the coach of Ghana? I say, is he the only coach in Ghana? Me ever since I say the all chances be against Asante Kotoko, me pay some that coaching. Go Kotoko na wakame. Me pay sa coaching na some that. Be able to book on chat. Be able to book on chat. Dabi onko baby oboso kono onko Kotoko yihia coach Ogun coach Samuel Bodu yihia no Asante Kotoko imprimpri coach Ogun de how we team kitwe bi say has full team kitwe o de me compare Asante Kotoko no baka say man Kotoko man ne coach ubu yesen say your who say bi yenim ko soro on then the penifo no omnya careful they shouldn't dare somebody coaching the coaching job no come Samuel Bodu somebody coaching and they shouldn't try at all because coaching will move Kotoko Kotoko nya hwe Kumasi boy umu Kotoko ne e team be man e tua ka boso na wo jun skedi why you know say na amene nti onko nanim ne yesu onko yanim ye mpe coach no coach team no ne Samuel Bodu we don't need him at Asante Kotoko. There are a lot of coaches in Ghana you meet me more services ama bo Asante Kotoko maso kwenu kra mon try na mon fa namra ba say Samuel Bodu die onko ne baby omu Kotoko onfo Kotoko nya hwe o de Kotoko nim twitwi fom abrenyi na abrenyi on team de be hye bia obeya bia o de Kotoko nim twitwi fom master na ever since me hu say oba yinum o chance so okọ house na de bia on Kotoko be hye bia Kotoko be bia no opese o de Kotoko nim twitwi so say Kotoko no enye team bia na ya sora be fa o say brabe coach Kotoko ade ye no na say na amene na mpanimfo no omusuru ana mo na coach bia o ba bia nada this shouldn't be happening. No, see what you want. Make me so like it. Make me so I subscribe it. Yeah, man. Bye bye.